guys, thanks for tuning in to the channel today. We're doing some color. Right now I'm about to be mixing up some lightener and some B3. This is just to make sure that my S&D bonds are staying intact as I'm going through the lightening stages. I'm also going to be misting the hair with just some water. This just allows her locks to be more absorbent so that the lightener can pass through a lot easier. Now I'm not going to take too many partings here based on the color layout that we have planned. I'm just going to take this into 4 sections and go ahead and start applying in each section. I am using foils to make sure that we have good oxygen passing through so that the lightener can pass through really easily. Next, once we get to that desired level, we're just going to use a little bit of purple shampoo and start sponging that through her locks and really getting that lightener up out of there. Now with locks, you really got to sponge that shampoo through so you can really make sure that that lightener gets out. We don't want to leave any lightener residue. So nice extra warm water, lots of scrubbing and sponging. Next, we're gonna re-separate her into 4 sections. I'm just starting here in that last back section, applying our initial color. We're going for a nice purple hue right here close to the base. And I'm just kind of massaging that through with my hand and with the brush, trying to make sure that I'm getting the locks very saturated with this color. Now her hair is dry. The specific color that I'm using today, it is not for wet hair, so I do want to make sure that her hair is fully dry before applying this color. And we're gonna just massage this through slightly from the base all the way to about mid-strand. I'm gonna leave about an inch before I start applying the other color because I really want to make sure that there's an area that blends together. Next, we're gonna get this other color popping off. So I've got all the purple already applied. Next, we're gonna apply the other color, this nice magenta. And as you can see, I still leave that inch in between so that I can make sure that in the blending areas where the 2 colors come together, that I have a nice transition and it's not so hard and apparent. And I'm just gonna work my way back. This is just to make sure that the other colors don't blend in with one another. Once you already have these colors applied, usually they won't bleed. They're pretty thick and creamy, so they won't run into each other and get mudded. And I'm massaging that color through too as well. Just trying to make sure that the locks are very saturated in the areas that I'm applying. And I'm gonna apply all the way, almost in reverse of what I initially started with the purple. And section by section, I'm just gonna massage that through. And just with my thumb and my pointer, I always like to massage in that area where the 2 colors come together as soon as I'm finished applying in that quadrant. This gives me a gorgeous blend area. Now in between the transitions from the purple tone to the more magenta tone, I did wash my hands just to make sure that there wasn't any residue of the purple still on my hands, so I didn't just automatically jump in. And I do have a towel to get off some of the residue too as well from my gloves. Now, as we're making our way almost all the way to the back, in these last two quadrants here, I am making sure that the ends aren't dripping, and that everything is looking smooth, saturated, and that we don't have any areas or holidays that are still showing with that golder tone. Now I only lifted her to a 9, so her cuticles still feel really good. Usually 2 months after this process, I always recommend getting a deep condition, usually a steam if you have locks. Steams are great for deeply depositing moisture inside your locks, and you should do those after every color process. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys really enjoy these videos, if you want us to make more of them. Also comment, let me know your guys' thoughts, and if you guys really enjoyed the color tone and how this color came out. We're always looking to do new colors and play around a lot more. So if you guys have some ideas of something you want to see, make sure to comment and leave those. Boom, now we at the shampoo bowl again. Now with locks, and especially with coloring them, you always have to make sure that you really get a good shampoo afterward. If you don't, their hair will be bleeding for so long. So really make sure that you're squeezing and wrenching that color out of their hair. Make sure to use a good color safe shampoo. I use the Joico color safe shampoo. The same with the color tone, I use Color Intensity by Joico. And oh man, this color is already looking so good. Now you can see the amount of suds that is created. I always like to use a good amount of shampoo. And boom, we're just gonna clean up her edges real quick. Get her real spicy and clean, you know what I'm saying? We're not doing a style in this video today, but we will be doing a maintenance and style video coming up, so look out for that. We also have dropped already quite a few videos, so make sure to check out our other videos for all the latest styles and tutorials. And you guys, man, this color is already looking so amazing. It really is. On some real, it is popping. Now I'm just doing a quick maintenance right here. Oh, y'all, the spin around, the 180 is fire. This color came out so well, you guys. Look at that nice blend from that nice orchid to that nice magenta. This is looking so amazing. This is looking so amazing. Well, thanks everybody for tuning in. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, hit us up. go take a look.
Oh wow! Ruben, you did amazing!
That looks so good, right?
Oh, I can't believe I love it.
Looks so good,
Oh
right?
man, yeah, the colors work well together.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love that.